You've been asking for more recipes with ground beef. They're simple, they're delicious, they're just easy to make. So that's what I'm going to make today. So let's make this meal. All right, so we'll oil the pan really good for this ground beef. Just swish it around a little bit to spread the oil. And then we'll start chopping up this onion. I'm going to chop up mine in very small pieces, as my husband doesn't like big chunks. Take my onion over to my ground beef, drop a couple on the way, and then we'll cook this through. This ground beef has quite a bit of grease in it, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of a drain here. I'm not going to take it all out, just like that much. Use my lid, take it over to the garbage. I think that's good. So I do like my meat in smaller pieces, so I will give it a quick mash. Okay, let's add some seasonings. Some pepper. Some minced garlic. Some salt. Italian seasoning. And paprika. And we'll just give it a stir. While it's simmering just a little bit longer, I'll go grate some cheese. Okay, so I'm going to grate all this cheese. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it all, but I might as well grate it. Okay, now we're going to add some beef broth. The diced tomatoes. And the cream of mushroom soup. Give that a stir. Now, if the soup isn't breaking up like all the way, I wouldn't worry about it too much. So now I'm just going to bring it to a boil. All right, once it's boiling, I'm going to add my rice. Give it another stir. Make sure the rice is all incorporated in this pot. Okay, we'll let it bring to a boil again. And we will cover and remove it from the heat and let the rice soak in all that moisture. All right, let's see if this is cooked through. Oh my God, it looks so good, you guys. Let's give it a taste. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's really good. Okay. You know what's better than this, though? Pouring it into a greased casserole dish. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Spreading it out a bit. And topping it with some cheese. All right. Now we're gonna bake it in a 375 oven for about 15 minutes until it's all melted, and I might even broil it so it browns on the top. So I'll be back. Oh, look at that. I broiled it for about 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh, it looks delicious. The cheese is perfectly browned. I'm gonna try and serve up a plate and check out the inside of it. Oh my gosh, this is so much food for my husband and I. I'm gonna wreck it. Not gonna look pretty anymore, is it? Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa. Look. So this is your cheesy ground beef and rice casserole. I just want to add one more thing. So when I do these videos, it's usually in the morning or midday. So now I'm going to let it totally cool off. And then I'm going to put my lid on it like that. Stick it in my fridge until it is dinner time. So you can make this ahead of time, and you can also freeze this. I'm going to go eat. Thanks for watching, guys.